Hi, I'm Phil from PieOnEarring Films. Should you rent equipment or should you hire someone who has their own equipment? So should you hire filming equipment or should you hire somebody who has their own equipment? For me personally, I would like to go for the person that has their own equipment. Of course, you've got to make sure that the equipment is suitable for the film project. Now that's a different story altogether. But say for example, I want a DP that has a good camera and I'm going to be making an action horror movie. So he may have a Blackmagic, either the 2.5K or the 4K camera. Great, I'd be very happy to shoot the film on that camera. The thing is, that camera that he owns is like a third arm. So you're saving time and money with that guy than you would be going to a rental place and trying to hire the same camera maybe, but you're learning on the job, you know. That's going to eat into your money and you're probably not going to do as good a job as the guy with his own camera equipment. So that's the area I would go down. The idea is to save as much money as you can, but keep the quality as high as you can as well. I understand there's going to be some sort of debate, you know, what camera I've just mentioned. That is just purely for as an example. But what do you guys think? Leave your comments below and tell me what you think. Any ideas, any comments that could help try and save people a few bucks or a few quid being here in the UK, that would be great. Well, I want to try and make this a bit of a community where we kind of help each other out, try and make films as cheap as we can, not necessarily cheap quality, but the idea is to try and make a profit, to keep this as a sustainable business. So if you like the video, please like it, please subscribe, because we're going to be updating videos each week, trying to give as much information as we can as we learn and build and grow our own film company business. So thank you, and until next time.